Are you still manually tracking dates and deadlines in Google Sheets? Let's make it smarter. As your workload increases, staying on top of appointments, tasks, and key events becomes harder to manage. Inserting Google Calendar into Google Sheets lets you plan, track, and collaborate, all in one place. Here's how you can insert Google Calendar into Google Sheets. Step 1. Go to Google Sheets and open a new or existing sheet. Step 2. Select the cell or cells where you want the calendar. Step 3. Click on Data, then Data Validation. Step 4. Click on Add Rule. Step 5. Under Criteria, select Is Valid Date and then click Done. Step 6. Now, click on the selected cell and a calendar will pop up. Choose your intended date from it. That's it! Your Google Sheet now has a built-in calendar picker. Want to get even more out of it? Here are some quick tips. Use conditional formatting to highlight weekends, holidays, or urgent tasks. Use formulas like this to automate deadlines. Create drop-down filters to sort by project, category, or status. This method saves time, reduces manual errors, improves team collaboration, and keeps your schedule perfectly organized. This approach reflects what xFanatical Foresight stands for. It's a no-code automation platform that helps you automate repetitive Google Workspace tasks using simple rules and templates without writing scripts. Do less manual work. Achieve more productivity. Start small with automation and scale your efficiency with xFanatical Foresight. To know more, please visit xFanatical.com.